guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is sponsored by CYNOSURE Hair, and they were kind enough to send me over this hair. The hair will come in that nice silk bag. You get your wig cap, you do get an adjustable strap so you can put it on your wig and make it glueless. You do get a pair of eyelashes and a scarf. So let's get into the wig. So this wig is the 4x4 HD transparent lace wig, and I have her in 24 inches, and this is the 220% density wig. It is really thick, to be honest. So doing the shed test, I'm not getting a lot of shedding, so that is good. Maybe a few strands here and there, but nothing crazy. She did come with 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on the back, and she does have adjustable straps. So she did come pre-plucked, but not too much, so you can go ahead and pluck her some more. As you see, it still look a little bit wiggy, so it might need some work. Okay, so guys, this is the next day, and I did go ahead and bleach the knots on the wig, and I did pluck her some, not too much, but you know, just a little. I'm cutting off the extra lace on the back of the wig because, to be honest, this really makes it has no purpose. Okay, so I'm just cutting that off, and then I'm gonna go in and just adjust the straps to show you guys what it looks like bleach. I'm still gonna add my foundation to her using my foundation brush, just so that it can blend with my skin a little bit more. The knots on this wig were a little big, to be honest. I wish the knots were smaller. And one thing I learned during this install is that adding foundation to lace sometimes make the knots a little bit more pronounced. So I kind of wish maybe I didn't do that, but listen, you know. So I'm just using my ebony lace spray just to seal in the foundation. I'm gonna put her on my edges to see what she looks like, and yeah. Alright guys, so if you guys just want to tune in and watch the install, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video, so you guys can just go ahead and watch it, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. Okay. Alright guys, so this is basically the end of the video. I am going to be adding my concealer to the part just to make it a little bit more pronounced. I didn't have to do that, but I kind of just chose to do that just to make it a little bit more pronounced. And listen, there are some things that I have learned while installing this wig. Okay, I should have brought the sides in a little bit more because it does a little bit wiggy on my head, but it's not that bad. The hair is really good quality. I like the thickness. It did shed a little after me cutting off the lace and bleaching the knots and plucking it. It did shed a little, but nothing crazy. The density is nice. It's, you know, it's not very silky. It has a little yucky texture to it. That's what it looks like in the back. It's soft. It's just a nice hair. It does shed a little, as I said before, but the hair is super nice. So thanks for CYNOSURE Hair for sending me over this wig. I really appreciate it. It was a nice hair and it is a good 4x4 closure wig. So if you're new to wigs and you want to go in and, you know, install her, she is really good and she's nice for a beginner. Okay, she's very nice. I like her, and you know, black hair is my thing. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Link would be in the description box. I'll see you guys later. Keep slaying, queen. Bye bye.